Hi, Namaskar. I'm Jinal Shah from Team Rujita Devekar. So, today we're going to talk about how to design your plate. Basically, about how to understand portion sizes. If we were to ask these questions to our dadis and nannies, they would give us one tight slap because they would always tell us things like, do not count how much you're eating, just eat with love and gratitude. And that's exactly what we need to know. There is the biggest diet guru in the world is actually your own stomach. Our stomach, our tongue, and the brain constantly talk to each other about when to eat, when to stop eating. But we have lost touch with these signals. So, what we need to do is work at rebuilding the relationship with these signals so that we know kab khana chahiye, kab rukna chahiye, and you will never need a dietitian in this world. So, I'm going to share a few steps with you which will allow you to understand how much to eat and what should your plate look like. But before that, I just want to say one little thing that appetite is a moving entity. You cannot fix portion sizes or standardize amounts that you will eat at one time because appetite is constantly fluctuating. It changes based on the season. In summers, you eat little less. In winters, you eat little more. It changes based on the reason. Who are you eating with? If you're eating with somebody whose company you truly enjoy, you eat a little more. You're eating with someone जिसके साथ आपकी ज़्यादा पटती नहीं है or who you do not like, तो automatically, भूख मर जाती है. If you're eating something that you like to eat, you will eat a little more. If you're eating something that you don't like to eat, you will eat a little less. So it's important to allow for that flexibility and to understand that you cannot be eating the same amount every single day. But to again know that how much to eat at one time, here are the steps that you must follow. Number 1, there is something called as 3 S's, alphabet S, 3 S's of eating right. The first S is sit cross-legged. खाना खाते समय, while eating food, make sure that you are sitting crisscross. Okay, so you crisscross your legs and you sit. And what that does is it allows for better blood circulation to the stomach, so your food is digested well and you will be able to receive all the nourishment that you require. The second S is to sit in silence. Sit in silence matlab that you have switched off all gadgets, phone, TV, laptop. क्योंकि आजकल क्या है ना, हम phone और TV को body parts मानने लगे और उसके बिना तो हम कुछ भी नहीं करते, whether it is inside the bathroom or whether it is on the dining table. So make sure that you have kept everything away and it's just you and your plate. Because food is not meant for entertainment. Food is meant to nurture you. So sit in silence and concentrate and pay attention on your meals. The third S is to align all your senses. Senses is basically the third S. Now, what are our senses? Eyes, so you only look at your food. Ears, which means you must keep hearing your own chewing. Nose, matlab you take the smell of your food. Tongue is to taste your food. And touch is to eat with your own hands. If you align all these senses, then you will know exactly when to stop eating. All right. The second thing that you have to do is we've developed a tool. We call it the mental meal map. So, अगर आप confused हो कि मुझे कितना खाना चाहिए और कब रुकना चाहिए, then you use this tool. So what this tool does is, what you have to do is visualize, make a mental image of how much you want to eat at one time. मतलब आप जब भी बैठते हो आपके खाने के लिए, मील के लिए, तभी look at your meal and you will know कि आज मुझे 2 चपाती खानी है. पर आपके प्लेट पे आप सिर्फ 1 चपाती डालिए, मतलब 50% of what you have visualized. Now you eat that 50%, मतलब that 1 chapati in as much time as you would eat the 2 chapatis in. Once you're done eating that 1 chapati, if you are still hungry, you repeat the steps. Now, what this will help you to do is, it'll ensure that you are eating just as much that allows you to feel light and energetic and does not make you feel very heavy and lethargic and tired, because food has to make you feel fresh and happy and energetic, not like dull and, like, oh God, I'm gonna die. That should not happen. So you put this mental meal map to use. अभी ये ध्यान रखना और ये याद भी रखना कि immediately तो नहीं होने वाला है. You have to work at practicing this and you have to work at applying this mental meal map धीरे धीरे से. 1 meal a day से आप start कीजिए. Alright? The third thing that you must know, and this is the most important thing, is the mental proportion map. मतलब कि आपके प्लेट पे सब जो हमारे चीज़ें हैं, मतलब रोटी, दाल, चावल, सब्जी, सैलेड, अचार, ये सब का proportion क्या होना चाहिए. So here it goes. आपके प्लेट का जो सेंटर होता है, that has to be your grain. So the maximum part of your plate is going to be either your rice or your roti. On the right hand side will be your sabzi, dal, pulses, or even meat for that matter, which is going to be lesser in amount than the center, that's your roti or rice. On the left hand side is going to be all the achar, papad, salad, dahi, all that comes on the left. और अभी इसका amount is going to be even lesser than the amount of your sabzi, dal, pulses, meat, all of that. If you eat like this, you can essentially look at this like a ratio of 3:2:1. 3 is your grain, 2 is going to be your sabzi or dal or pulse, and 1 is going to be your salad or pickle or papad. Okay, if you eat in this proportion, you will definitely feel light, energetic. There will be no troubles of digestion, no acidity, no burping, no feeling heaviness. पर क्या हो गया ना, हम वेट लॉस इंडस्ट्री के चक्कर में इतने कंफ्यूज हो गए कि हम पूरा उल्टा ही प्रपोर्शन करते हैं. हम सबसे कम अमाउंट लेंगे राइस या रोटी का, उससे ज्यादा हम लेंगे सब्जी का, और सबसे ज्यादा हम लेंगे सैलेड का. पर जब आप ये वाले प्रपोर्शन में खाओगे, विच इज एग्जैक्टली द ऑपोजिट ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव बीन टॉट टू डू एंड व्हाट इज टाइम टेस्टेड, तो क्या हो जाएगा? इंडाइजेशन, बर्पिंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, एसिडिटी, शुगर क्रेविंग्स. खाना खाया फिर भी ऐसा लगेगा ही नहीं कि खाया है. एंड देन वी फील वेरी गिल्टी कि ओ गॉड, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ईट सम पेस्ट्री, एंड देन एवरीथिंग गोज फॉर अ टॉस. सो डोंट डू दैट. ये मेंटल प्रपोर्शन मैप बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. और ये जो मेंटल प्रपोर्शन मैप है, ये एक्चुअली हमारी दादी नानी ने कब से ही बना के रखा है, बस हम देख नहीं पाए हैं इसको. तो what you need to do is just apply it and you see how great you feel. It will work beautifully for anyone who has issues of weight loss, who wants hormonal balance, who just wants to get fitter and leaner. सब चीज़ के लिए ये आपको काम में आएगा. Alright, so these are the things that you must do. That you sit cross-legged, that you sit in silence without phone, TV or any kind of distractions, that you align all your senses when you are eating your food. You use the mental meal map, which is visualizing how much you want to eat, serving yourself only 50%, eating it in double the amount of time and repeating it if you want more. And the mental proportion map, where you're having the ratio of 3:2:1, grain as the largest part, and your pulse or your sabzi or your dal as lesser than the grain, and the salad or the papad even lesser. ये proportion में आप खाओगे तो आप खुश रहोगे. Alright? That's all from me, and thank you very much, Fit Tak and India Today Group.